Thank you for the surprise. I really appreciate your surprise. I feel very special today. And God bless you as well. And ayun, sana we'll see each other again soon. And we love having Jackie here. Thank you. What is this, people? What is this? Surprise! Happy birthday! Thank you! Binasa ko pa yan.
Happy birthday! Okay. You have idea po or is surprise for you?
No.
If you have no idea for now, relax and enjoy this moment. Happy!
Happy birthday to me! Ang dami lang ng kapitbahay na birthday ko, guys.
It's because your birthday today. You have birthday sweet. I love it. Thank you very much for my green sash. Wow.
Thank you. Is this from home? From Jenny. Thank you, Jackie. Jackie's just right here. Thank you, Jackie.
Because your birthday,
I have
birthday
greetings.
cake.
Okay.
But before you blow the candle, sing for your birthday.
Okay, why not? Go.
Walang pin?
Hindi, carry lang nila. Ako na bala.
Guys, let's just song for her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow ka na. Happy birthday.
Wish.
Surprise pala ni Tito. Happy birthday! Thank you! Kasama ba yung car?
Kasama yung car? Oh my God!
I love you from Chapman family.
Wow, thank you, Chapman family. The representatives here. Happy birthday, Gangster. I love the flowers. I love the setup. Thank you.
It's your
Picture
birthday
tayo.
today. You have a birthday message from our subject.
Okay.
Now you can stand here, please. Thank
Okay.
you. But before I read, I will introduce ourselves.
Alright,
We
go
are
ahead.
from Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery.
Okay.
Ma'am Faye, nandito po kami upang gawing extra special ang inyong kaarawan. Happy,
Okay.
happy birthday!
Thank you.
Gawin ka! Ready ka na magbasay ka?
Sige. Babasahin mo? Okay. Okay lang kahit mamaya ako nabasahin you want. Di ba, Jackie?
Oh, yes, oh.
Later na lang privately. I'll just read it privately.
On the top na lang po.
Sige, go.
Happy birthday to my amazing and wonderful person, Faye. On this special day, I want to honor not just your birthday, but the beautiful soul that you are. Words will never be enough how express deeply grateful I am to you and your family. I will just from you are the blessing to our family, and thank you, Almighty God, for you, Jerry and C family, every single day. Again, happy birthday to a very pretty and stunning person, Faye. May this year bring you more success. All the best and abundant love because you truly deserve it.
Wow.
We love you so
Okay.
much with big hugs and kisses. God bless us abundantly with deepest gratitude, sincere love. Tita Jenny, Jackie, and Chapman family.
Thank you, Tita
Happy
Jenny.
birthday!
Thank you, Jackie. Jackie, thank you for that letter. I know.
So, Valentine's
Wow.
Birthday from Remember, there is my soul sister.
Oh my God, I love you, Chapman family. Okay, I'll just read it privately.
Okay.
Thank you, girl.
Kamusta? How the surprise? Are you surprised?
Yes, I am. Kaya pala to, ay, ano, wala sa sarili.
You have any message for
kasi
your family?
Message ko? Thank you. Kanino kay Tito Jenny,
Yes,
kila Jackie. Thank you for the surprise. I really appreciate your surprise. I feel very special today. And God bless you as well. And ayun, sana we'll see each other again soon. And we love having Jackie here. Thank you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Wow! Grabe, di ba? Wow! Oh my God, hug you. Hug you. Okay.
Kay
Pili. Teka na, pipicture. Ano kaya?
Kay Pili.
Wala ko muna, hindi ko kaya.
Okay,
Picture.
any message po sa our
Picture,
friends
picture.
here in family for Ma'am Faye? Any representative po to give a message?
Gabi.
Oh, just say happy birthday, it's okay.
Jackie.
Jacket
I'm not a speech person, but happy birthday. I love
Si
you.
Mama.
Okay.
Happy birthday, baby bunso.
I love you, Ma. Thank you to my parents, by the way. They're here.
Happy
And
birthday.
to my son and my husband.
Wow,
Here, my
laki
Nina's
ng
here.
hug ni ano.
Thank you, hug me, bear.
Hug ni Bear.
Message for you, ma'am.
Hug ni Pinli yun, hug ni Pinli.
Okay, go.
Close the program.
Ano, mag-message na ako
Yes, Ma. Thank
To you, Ma'am Faye.
Yes, I am.
Happy birthday. May
Yes.
God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Enjoy your special day. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday. And lastly po, in our sender all the way from Colorado, USA,
No,
on
it's
behalf
Lucky
of
Charms.
Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat kasi kami po ang inyong napili upang may hatid po itong sorpresa para po sa karawan ni Ma'am Faye. Pagpatuloy lang po
Ang dami
pagmamahal sa isa't isa at lagi po kayong mag-ingat dyan sa abroad. God bless po. Sa'yo po, Lima. Happy birthday.
Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, call us 096 685 42851.